Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to secure a perfect domain for business coaching on, your store, on your online store on Shopify. So first of all you have to follow this setup guide right here. So first of all you have to add your first product. Okay, so as you see here, you can add the title, the description, the media, or you can add from URL, or you can upload new one. You can customize the pricing options, the inventory. So let's move on to the next. So here you can customize your online store. You can change the theme, and you can add your logo, the colors, and the image to reflect your brand. And after this, you can name your store. So for example, um, okay, now you can set your shipping rates, and you can set up a payments provider. And after this you can place a test order, and if you're done from this, you can just launch your store. Okay, so before this you have to fix these settings right here. So here we have the store details. Here you can manage your profile, the time zone, and the units of measurements. Here we have the billing, so you can add the payments method. So here you can enter your information, the card number, the expires, your country, the region, first name, last name. Okay, after this you can add the credit card. Now let's move on to the payments. Okay, so as you see here, you can choose a provider. And as you see here, you can contact provider. So here you can type your support description here, include as much details as possible. Okay, let's move on. Now let's move on to the checkout. So as you see here, you can manage the customer contact method, phone number or email. Here you can manage the customer information, your full name, the company name, the address line, the shipping address, the marketing options, and that's it. Here you can add additional scripts, and after you're done you can just save this place and go to the next step. So here you can customize and fix the taxes right here. Okay, you can choose wherever you like, and okay, so here you can choose the country tax. Now let's move on. Let's move on to the domains. So today we're gonna focus on the domains, how to secure domain for business coaching. Okay, now you can search for your domain. Okay, so as you see here, you can buy a domain, and you have to pay $15 for a year. And also you can choose other results like this one, .net or .store or .shop, whatever you like. So you can pay less or pay more. So that's it. Now let's move on to the customer events. So as you see here, you can manage app and custom pixels that access customers events with enhanced privacy and security. So here you can add custom pixel, you can add the pixel name. So that's it. Here we have the brand. So as you see here, you can manage the brand section, you can add the logos and square logo or default logo. So as you see here, you can add a default logo or square logo. Here you can add the primary color, whatever you like. You can choose your favorite one. Also here you can add the cover image, you can add the description right here, you can also add the social links, Facebook or Twitter, Pinterest, whatever you like. So after you're done, you can just save this place. Okay, and that's it. Okay, now let's go to the markets. So as you see here, you can add a market. Now you can customize the market settings, the language and domains, the products and the pricing, the import taxes, the shipping. Okay, so here you can add languages, and also you can manage domain, use a single or multiple domain if you want. So that's it. Now let's move on to the languages. Here if you want to change your language, you can just from here select your language, and after this you can just publish your website, publish your store and start selling. Here we have the users and the permissions. So as you see here, you can manage what users can see or do in your store. Here you can compare plans, select a subscription plan that includes additional stuff, accounts, and control who can do what. So as you see here, you can pick your plan, basic, so or select Shopify or advanced. So as you see here, all these plans here, you have to pay just $1 for your first month. So that's it. Now here we have more ways to sell: the starter, the retail, or plus. So here if you have some questions that you have to give to Shopify. So that's it. Now after you're done, after you fix all these settings right here, you can just publish your website and you can start selling. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.